Okay, good morning all. Well, after a slow delay, we put this here about a week ago. We got our new tracks turned up late last week, and now we've got to set about replacing the old tracks. This one here, a pretty old sad one. She broke there about a week ago when I was doing a bit of a job down there. Nothing much, but it was just time. So anyway, here we are. Early in the morning, we'll just do a little bit this morning, try and get the track off. So what we've got to do is, we've jacked it up from the inside there, on one side. Remove the, got to remove the grease nipple here.
So what size is it inside?
Hmm?
I don't know.
Yeah, we've done this before. All the grease comes pouring out.
We have a grease catcher here.
Well, that's all our tools. Anyway.
Oh, it's there, it's pouring
There
out.
it's falling down now. The tension's going off the track
Yeah,
as the grease is released.
yeah. I didn't get that. The tension is starting. Oh,
Right,
see?
there we go.
Yeah,
Now we'll just put that in there.
still pouring.
And now what I'm going to do, I'll compress the track a little more
Mm-hmm.
to make it hopefully easy. I'll use the bucket on here
Uh-huh.
to push the bloody idler pulley
Uh-huh.
in to compress it to its maximum so it's easiest to take off. We'll get rid of all the tension we can, right?
Okay.
This is my first time, I don't know these things.
Okay. Let's try that.
that look like?
Looks good. It's yeah.
Don't get too high.
That's good. Yeah. All right. So what we did here, we lift the thing up. We put that cork there, and inside here there's a duba bag, but it's
I just
now
lifted
it's
it on the bucket that a little bit higher now.
yeah, it's not touching the thing now, but yeah, the bucket's
What we
there.
gotta do-
That's stable.
We've got to somehow run them tracks off.
Okay.
Oh, where have you got it under the teeth? What happened? Nothing. Anybody get hurt?
It's not successful. Okay. Unsuccessful with the thing that we did before, because maybe I'm hopeless. So now we're trying to get the loader, a fork loader, and then we'll slid it there and put the tension a little bit up. This rubber, put it a little bit this high here, and then we can leave it there so he can help me lug it, this one, you know. What is that lug it? Price it.
I'm just seeing what the possibilities are. I just don't know. See, now I've got the
I just don't have enough force. Wait there. Look easy, but it's difficult.
I just can't do it.
So we're gonna try this trick. The come along. That's the come along. So we're doing it at the other side, not in the sprocket side.
Yeah, but what? You got that little thing?
This is the
I was just wondering if that's gonna. Nah.
is pricing the thing and make sure it's secure. And then there. Okay.
Behind it.
There's a lot of option coming up into the mind of a butcher mechanic. Huh? That's on the ground.
Keep turning it off because.
So the previous trick didn't work, so maybe this trick will work. Just put some in there.
How do you?
So this is the semi-final trick. Everything's not working. My idea to lift that one up, it's not doing anything.
Can you grab that chain out of the excavator claw?
Oh, okay.
You know that.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're tying the truck with this one. We put something there in that hole. He put something there. We prise it up so you can put the how's this chain inside. That's a heavy duty chain. It looks small, but it's a heavy duty one. So we have what you call that, kamalog?
Oh well, it's a. Come along, it's a bloody endless chain or a bloody.
It's a pulley.
Yeah. Okay. Can you hook that onto that?
Another 5 inches.
Inches or centimeters?
Inches.
How much is it inch?
I don't know what. 5 inches is like the high heels. A little. Oh. Okay.
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 So we have that there.
Good.
Just hoping it will do the trick. We'll loop it at the back.
Take your chain out. That one there.
Remove it.
Yeah, just hunt it a bit.
Okay.
Now, put it through the back.
Okay.
Right, you got it out there? Okay, so we're doing a loop of tight around there. A smaller loop you can make that fits, you know.
Oh, okay. Fix. Or maybe 6.
I'll put it up there.
So put this one around the tire there. And we have this come along. Put into the truck here. Then now
Yeah, because you're going to get the pry
the
bar.
pry bar.
Even a tyre puller even might work, though. You know that.
I'll leave out.
Don't touch this cane. Tire levers.
Just be careful. I won't.
Yeah. Remember, it's going that way, so
Yeah.
you tip.
Okay.
Okay. Come this side and you can see, get a video around this side.
I think we got it.
Yeah, come around here and get a video, you can see. Okay, don't worry your head. That's what happens when you get professionals onto it, you see.
Yeah. We can
Okay.
loosen it now.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's piece.